In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branding Lovart. If you're looking to spin up clean, on-brand visuals quickly, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to move from an idea to generated designs with an AI design agent. First, open the Lovart website. You'll land on a page that introduces the platform, and once the interface loads, you'll see a workspace-ready environment. Give the page a second to fully render so all buttons become active. That helps avoid misclicks and ensures the canvas initializes correctly. Next, select New Project. This creates a fresh canvas and opens the prompt area where you guide the system. Think of this as your creative brief in one place. The clearer you are here, the better your outcomes. In the prompt field, describe the brand you're building. Include the brand purpose, tone, audience, and any non-negotiables, like colors or typography preferences. You can also state the style you want, such as minimal, playful, or editorial, and the kinds of assets you need, logo concepts, social headers, or presentation cover art. Short, specific phrases are best. For example, instead of saying modern, try clean sans serif look, generous white space, muted earth palette. If you already have a color direction, mention it by name, like deep navy with warm neutrals, or by simple descriptors. Add any constraints that matter, such as avoid gradients or no script fonts. Keep sentences concise so the agent can prioritize what matters most. When your brief feels right, click Submit to generate. Lovart will process your request and display results on the canvas. Give it a moment. Complex prompts can take a bit longer. As the concepts appear, scan for alignment with your intent. Are the colors, mood, and hierarchy matching your description? If something misses the mark, refine the same prompt field by tightening language. Highlight the must-haves at the start and remove anything that isn't essential, then submit again. Small wording tweaks often lead to big improvements. Repeat this brief, then submit rhythm until the visuals reflect your brand direction. Pay attention to consistent elements that you like and reinforce them in your next prompt line, such as keep the geometric icon or preserve the calm palette. That continuity helps Lovart lock onto the core identity faster. And that's the flow. Open Lovart, start a new project, craft a clear prompt, and submit to generate tailored branding concepts. With a thoughtful brief and a couple of iterations, you'll have a strong visual foundation ready for your brand.